Choosing the right pressure gauge involves considering several factors to ensure accuracy, reliability, and safety. Here's a guide to help you make an informed decision. 1. Determine the pressure range. Pressure range. Select a gauge that can accurately measure the expected pressure range of your application. The gauge should operate within 25% to 75% of its full-scale range for optimal accuracy. That means you should buy maximum 5 to 10% higher range than your actual range. Like if you buy same range as required, might slight high pressure will not be shown on gauge, and it could damage your pipeline. Also, if you take too higher range than yours, readings will not be correct as per requirements. 2. Consider the operating environment. Temperature. Ensure the gauge can withstand the operating temperature of your environment. High temperatures may require special materials or liquid-filled gauges to prevent condensation. Like generally, brass fittings should not exceed operating temperatures beyond 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. 3. Vibration. In high vibration environments, liquid-filled gauges are preferred as they dampen vibrations and provide more stable readings. If you use without liquid-filled gauges, the gauge will show irrespective reading when it gets vibrated every time. 4. Choose the right type of gauge. Borden tube gauges, suitable for high-pressure applications and general industrial use. Diaphragm gauges, ideal for low-pressure measurements and corrosive environments. Digital gauges, offer high precision and ease of reading, suitable for modern applications requiring data logging. 5. Material compatibility. Connection material. Choose materials that are compatible with the fluid being measured. Brass is cost-effective and corrosion-resistant, while stainless steel offers exceptional durability in harsh environments. There are many factors included in this, like seawater, which is salty, so stainless steel can corrode when exposed to seawater, but some grades are more resistant than others. Here you can use stainless steel 316L. 6. Accuracy requirements. Accuracy class. Select a gauge with an accuracy class that meets your application's requirements. Higher accuracy is essential for critical applications. This is typically expressed as a percentage of the full-scale range. Common accuracy classes include 0.1%, 0.25%, 0.5%, 1%, and 2.5%. So choose your gauge as per type of applications you are having. 7. Mounting style. Mounting options. Consider the mounting style that best suits your installation needs. Options includes bottom connection, back connection, or panel mounted.